Okay. So page 9 is about separating into equal sets, and this is a division action. And so I'm actually going to take my pencil and I'm going to partition this off like so. And I'm going to give you a little scenario here. We have 8 cups of chips, and we're going to make 1/4 servings. How many servings? So I'm kind of giving you this little scenario. I normally type this out or give you a little story to glue in, but I didn't have time today. So this is our scenario. In this area, we're going to make a picture. Then we're going to have a number line. And finally, our equation, which will give us our answer. So what is it that I have? What do I have? Anthony. I have 8 cups of chips. So I'm going to start with the 8 cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one loner will have to be all by itself down here. And I'm going to cut these 8 cups into 1/4 serving sizes. So how will I partition each one of these pictures, Presley?
Into 4.
I'll partition it into 4ths. A little window pane is the easiest way to get 4ths. And then when I want to know, well, how many servings that is, every time I have a 4th, I have a serving, right? So I'm just going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So how many servings would that give me? How many servings would I have? Asher?
28 servings.
28?
32. Oh, 32.
32. If I were going to give you guys all a 4th, would I have enough for everybody in our classroom?
Yeah.
That's why you would want to know how to do this. If you were having a party and you were trying to think about how much you wanted to serve, you would want to know, well, do I even have enough to serve everybody the same amount, right? So when we move to our number line is going to start with 0, and it's going to go all the way to the whole number 8, because that's what our picture represented, 8 holes. And that's how much we have. That is our total amount. And if I wanted to partition my number line into equal pieces, the easiest way is to cut it in half first and just label this 4. And then I can cut that in half and label that 2. Cut that in half and label it 1. Go back and cut between 2 and 4 in half and label it 3. Between 4 and 8, cut it in half and label it 6. Between 4 and 6, cut it in half and label it 5. And between 6 and 8, cut it in half and label it 7. Now it looks like I have a number line that's partitioned very equally. And just like we partitioned our picture into fourths, what will we need to do between each number? How many equal pieces will we need? 4. And there's a fast way to do that also. So I could just cut each one of these in half. That was fast, right? And then I could cut each one of those marks in half. Because we want 4 equal pieces between each hole. And if I counted all these pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 1/4 pieces. And that's a little bit easier than labeling all of these, mainly because, is that kind of tiny to label?
Yeah.
Okay. So here's what I hope that you're understanding. That when I cut this, between the whole numbers 0 and 1, I had 4 equal pieces. I had 4 more, so that gave me a total of 8. I had 4 more, which gave me 12. 4 more equal pieces would give me 16. 4 more equal pieces would give me 20. 4 more would give me 24. 4 more would give me 28. And the last 4 would give me 32. So what's really happening here? We're taking the whole number 8. We're dividing the number 8 into 1/4 pieces. And when we divided 8 into 1/4 pieces, we were able to get 32 pieces.